Hey, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get started. So we're just going to go to www.planet.com/Jen. That's going to come up to my referral page. My name is right there. So we're going to go ahead and click on your product. Click on Learn More. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Oh, let's go ahead and click this thing for cookies. Scroll down. Click on Purchase Now. And then here's how to become an independent travel agent. It'll be the $179.95 plus the $39.95 per month. Click on Purchase Now. Scroll down. Here you'll put all the information. My name is already there. I'm just going to go ahead and use my information here. Again, put your date of birth and your gender. Submit. And here is the registration. Scroll down. Here's the information. Then you'll go ahead and enter your payment information. Enter the information for the background check. And here's the terms and conditions of your contract agreement. And then you go ahead and you would be able to go ahead and click on Enroll Now. Once you enroll now, in 24 hours, it'll send you an email providing you with credentials to log into different portals. It also will provide you with a link to do the training. You'll need to do the training first before you'll be able to log into any of the portals. But I'll be able to go ahead and help you and guide you as best as I can so that we can get you started as quickly as possible. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, bye.